In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off parental controls on your Nintendo Switch for Fortnite. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. To do this process, you simply have to go to the home screen of your Nintendo Switch system. Once you arrive at the home screen, look for the System Settings button, usually at the bottom or the top. After you access the system settings within the home screen, scroll down through the left-sided menu until you find the Parental Controls option and highlight it. In there, you will have a bunch of options include Change Settings. Once you select Change Settings, you have to enter the PIN number once again, and after you enter the correct PIN, you will be able to press the X button, aka Reset, to remove the parental control settings and the PIN number. Once you press the X button to reset the PIN, you can simply select OK and go back to the home screen, and the parental controls on your Nintendo Switch system will now be off. You may resume playing anything you want without having to include the PIN. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off parental controls on your Nintendo Switch for Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.